One Sunday, I had a Girl Scout booth. I saw two girls from our class, Chloe and Kaylin. We were all selling Girl Scout cookies. It was fun. Next, someone wanted 20 boxes of cookies. They had to pay us $100 because the person got 20 boxes is the same as one whole case of 12 Thin Mints, 6 tagalongs, 2 triples, and that was it. Last we got Oreos and went to another Girl Scout house. I hope we can do it again.
Okay, clap for Nisha.
I went to